In this section, we will look at the right angle hypotenuse side RHS test. So this will be the last test you'll be learning. Okay, for this worksheet, this will be the last test for congruency. So what does it say? It says that, highlight this together with me, if the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle. So they have mentioned a total of two sides plus 90 degree, which is an angle lah. Okay, is equivalent to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle supposedly. So in other words, in a right angle hypotenuse side, you need two sides plus 190 degree, okay, in order to use this. And you can only use it if it is a right angle triangle. If you have that, then you can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. Now let's see how to use it. Example 8 here. Now, when you see this, they ask you to prove congruent. If you have never learned about the congruency test, you also can kind of show it. Because you can use Trigo, go and find out all the angles. Right? Or you can use Pythagoras theorem to go and find out length. You can say that, hey, angle, length are all the same. Therefore, they're congruent to each other. Okay? So therefore, actually, right hand RHS is a very useful one because it cuts short your process by quite a fair bit. Okay? I want to look at this triangle first. Let's start by finding the length here, and so that we can prove. You see, I know that the hypotenuse, let's label first. This is my h, this is my h. My hypotenuse is equals to each other. Okay, so I just need to prove that the other length. But this is 20, this is 21. They are not the same length. So why not I fix this? I know that this is 20. I want to prove that is this 20? I'm gonna find out. Alright, so 29 square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, let's not write BC square. Let's just write down 21 square. So I will get that AB square is equals to 29 square minus 21 square. You get 400, and AB, you get 20 cm, where your length is always bigger than 0. That's why you can ignore the negative side. So I get my AB is 20. Hey, I get my AB is 20. Therefore, I can prove that QP is equal to AB, okay, which is equal to 20 cm. I've proven one side. And then I'm going to prove using the hypotenuse. This is QR is equal to AC. I've proven the other side is equal as well. And the 90 degree. Okay, I'm going to prove the other one, the 90 degree. QPR is equal to triangle ABC. They are 90 degree as well. So here, do you see that I have a right angle, side, and side. But this side is unique because it's the hypotenuse. So therefore, by using this, I have proven that QPR and ABC are congruent. Okay, what I have just used is right hand side congruent test. If you see a right angle triangle, try to apply this. In order to use a congruent test, you must make sure that you prove the hypotenuse is the same plus one more side. That's it. Because the 90 degree, by right, if it's a right angle triangle, they will give you the 90 degree. If not, you have to prove that it's 90. Okay? Then, of course, the naming of the side, the Q and the R, then the A and the C, you must use it the correct way. Okay? You cannot so be careful when you are naming. You must make sure that you use the correct one. Okay? Don't use the wrong side when you are naming it. Okay, you must make sure that you match. Alright, that is all. Now, can I get all of you to try to complete exercise 1? I'll see you again in the next video to show you the answer. Okay, exercise 1 requires you to use the 4 rules that you have already learned and write down which rule for each of them. Okay, so there's a table here, fill it in. Which pair of congruent triangle can be used for which rule? Okay, this will take some time for you to finish. Once you are done, then you will look at the next video for the answer. Okay, thank you all.